So let's just have a look at why this course is so different from any other acupressure course out there on the market. Because these are quite big
So let's just
claims.
take a look at the acupressure when we're doing it the correct way.
Do that for a few days, maybe a few weeks until you can move on to this.
You can see the hand there with the elbow. It just controls the movement a little more.
Because we need to do that, otherwise the problem will keep reoccurring.
Just draw back. Now, you'll see I'm just measuring out here. Here's a great pressure point right at it's in the midway between that kneecap. Testing. Okay, kneecap should go in for tracking in 8 different directions. Up and down.
Then we're going to use, not only are we going to use acupressure techniques, but we're going to use things like trigger point release, other soft tissue releases, mobilizations, a whole plethora of different treatments that you're going to use on your client.
Crease there, just under that knuckle as it drops down, right there.
Results. And I'm basing all these treatments on my 25 years as an acupuncturist and from my knowledge and experience in treating people.